I'm going to show you basic things for song structure and how you can create songs in different patterns and just repeat those. What you want to do is go to Desktop, make sure in Module XM, go back, and then click on what you were working on to load it in. So this is what we had before. And go back. For creating the songs and the different patterns, you want to go here and these two boxes. Right now we're in pattern 0. You want to go to pattern 1, and this could just be anything. So for pattern 1, I'm going to make it add 4. I'm just going to put down a kick drum. Then for pattern 2, for example, I can put down a kick. And I can put down a snare. And just for one more, I'm going to just put down a bass for pattern 4. So once we're in pattern 4, I can just put down a bass. So once we have our separate patterns, and so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 3's empty, and you have 4 here. What you want to do is go over here, get rid of that. You know what, hit Insert. Once you hit Insert, you're going to have many of these just different numbers. You don't have to worry about this number on the left-hand side. It's just showing what pattern you're currently on. You are going to want to make sure you pay attention to the right-hand numbers, and you can increase it. As you can see, it does change the data down here. This number simply is the pattern. You can see switching it changes the pattern number. Then you can make this just pretty much, if you have data in the pattern, you can change it here. And you can have different sections repeating, or just you can skip out of sections if you want to, just by not entering it here. So here I'm going to hit play song, and it's going to continue from this point. And you can see it just skips through here and plays it. Now if you just want to play this pattern and not have it go through the song, you can hit play pattern. Then hit stop if you want.